to make Snapchat public profile. So if you want to make a Snapchat public profile, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, open up your Snapchat. After opening your Snapchat, now go with the upper left, which has that profile option. From your profile, if you scroll down, then here on the right side, you will have public profile, right? So in my case, I've already created my public profile, but if you've not created, then you can just simply scroll down and you'll find an option of create a public profile. You can tap on create and you don't need to do anything. You just need simply tap on create and it will automatically create your public profile without any additional information. It will take the information from your Snapchat and it will create your public profile. You can go with the right side, which has a public profile, and add some images to it. Select a photo and then go with confirm and it will be added. So that's it. That's how you can create your public profile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.